everyone, we're going to use quadratic techniques to solve x to the fourth minus 50x squared plus 49 equals 0. So what we're going to do is write it in our normal form for a quadratic. So that means I need a square, write your coefficient, and to the first power plus 49 equals 0. All right. So to get a square, we need x to the fourth. So I'm going to have to write x squared here. So because 2 times 2 is your 4. So you use your power property of exponents. And then this is just going to be x squared because that's what we want. Now we're going to factor this. We need 49 when you multiply together, but a negative 50 when you combine them. So that's going to be negative 49, negative 1. Because when you multiply those two, you get 49, but when you combine them, you get negative 50, which is our middle term here. Now, normally when you factor, you just put x, x, but ours isn't x here. It's x squared, so you put x squared, and then we have our minus 49, minus 1. The order doesn't matter, really. And then we solve like normal. So you can do this one or two ways. I'll do it both ways. So for the first one, I'm just going to set x squared minus 49 equals 0. And add 49 to both sides. And square root both sides. Don't forget your plus and minus. So you get x equals plus minus 7. Plus or minus 7. Now, another way to do these are both perfect square, difference of perfect squares. So I could also just expand this as x minus 1 times x plus 1. Because it has this form a squared minus b squared. And so did this one. If you do it this way, you get x equals plus 1. And this one is x equals minus 1. So you still get the same thing. Again, you could have just taken it and solved it this way and did what we did before. And you get your plus or minus 1. So these are our four solutions. X equals plus or minus 7 and x equals plus or minus 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.